Hey Rich, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and this morning I spoke to Sam, who thought you may possibly be interested in this free custom video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you can start applying right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. It's important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture all that traffic. So we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. Looks like you have separate pages for each of your services and service areas, which is really great. Any service area that has any type of search volume for your services needs its own page. Um, Good. You got interlinking between pages. That's good. Let's see, a little bit of content. And that's it. So, unfortunately, Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It is ranked based on content. Content is key. So you need a ton of content throughout your website. Your homepage needs a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content. And that's focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching in each of your service areas for the service that you're offering. So it's going to be really, really important that you work on your content and keyword strategies so you can be found for each of these services and in all your service areas. Every page needs their own unique content with their own keywords. While you guys do have service area pages, which is critical, you guys are missing the point with having them. Every single one of these are duplicate content on each page, and there are no keywords. Each of these service area pages should be like mini home pages with keywords based around that location and your services. And there needs to be some type of repetition to be picked up. So you don't have any keywords on those service area pages, and it's duplicated, so Google has not indexed you. So Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all your pages, pulling your original content and keywords so that they can rank you for them and put you in front of your customers. Now, if we look at one of your top competitors, Kelman Restoration, they service the same service areas. You can see that they have separate service area pages. They also have separate they have separate service pages and also have separate service area pages. They have the interlinking as well. You can see they're focused on those local buyer intent keywords. They have good content. Looks like they're a bit short on content. So, in order to beat these guys, you would definitely need more content. You're always going to need more of whatever your competitor has. You're going to have to dial in your content and keyword strategy, and then you're going to have that supported by search engine optimization. So looking at your scores here, you have a 0.8 out of 100 in Google's trust flow. This is for your entire website as a whole, which means that Google does not trust your website, and that's 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. Not all are created equal, so it is very important you're only getting highly authoritative backlinks that are do follows, which means that they are directly related to your industry and that they will share their power. You get credit for one backlink per referring domain, so anything else Google looks at as spam. Looking at yours, it looks like only 20 out of your 45 are do follows, so really only 20 of your backlinks are providing you any sort of help. You have been indexed for 340 keywords, and you're seeing about 409 people on average to your website, so you are missing quite a bit of traffic. Looking at your keywords, it looks like most of the keywords on your homepage are either brand or national keywords. Near me is still a national keyword, and they are unnecessary because Google will automatically bring customers for you that are looking for the near me's. There is a ton of potential volume, but ranking on the home page is mostly national keywords. So you're going to get a lot of false metrics because unless you're servicing everyone in the United States, when people land on your page and you don't service their area, they're going to jump off your page. So you need to be focused on the local buyer intent keywords. When we look at your competition, we can see they have a much higher rating. They've got a 26 with over 2,000 backlinks. They've been indexed for over 2,700 keywords, and they're seeing over 2,500 people to their website per month. 259 of the referring domains are do follows, so you're going to have to get more than 259 referring domains that are directly related to your industry and properly link that to your keywords on all your pages so that your keywords can rank so you can get to the top page of Google for all your services and service areas. And then the last thing is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for every service area and all your major keywords because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. And so if you're not listed here in this top 3, you're sending all those leads to your competition. So in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Dex, Facebook, etc. And so you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local buyer intent keywords. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and that you can start applying these tips and capturing those organic leads. If you have any questions, you can give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.